The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. It's Meta Tuesday, guys, so every Tuesday I look at Meta platforms, and in my prior analysis I was bullish in the short term. I believe Meta could reach this breakout level at the 156 before continuing lower with the trend down, but it looks like we reached that $100 target right away. So let me go over the chart and analyze what can happen next. Well, there was this downtrend channel in play because we had 4 touches on the top side. If I drag it down, you can see that this is the lows right over here, and we were bouncing off the midline 3 times, plus we had that breakout, and it looks like that short-term downtrend channel was played out. So I was expecting at least prices to come back to the trend line right over here, the resistance trend line, and possibly even this breakout. So I thought earnings would be enough of a catalyst to push up prices, but that did not occur. So, but we did reach that $100 target that I had in mind, so we just got there quicker instead of pulling up first. So I got that target because we had this measure move down right here. This is the first leg, this is the second leg. Prices bounced from this measure move numerous times before breaking lower, so that tells me we're probably going to make a larger one. If I connect both of them together, drag this one down, this target was right around the $100 level, and we surpassed it by just a small amount. So right now we're trading at the $95 level, which is actually not random at all, because you can see it's right at the support side of the channel. So we could trade a little bit lower. The support side of the channel could be drawn from the wick of this candle instead of the body, and if it is drawn from the wick of the candle and not the body, then we could reach the high 80s, maybe even the mid 80s before retracing back up. But I'm not really seeing anything that should be telling us to continue lower from here. We should be seeing some type of pullback action take place. So that's pretty much everything I have for Meta platforms on the daily chart. Basically, we didn't pull back up, we just went straight down to the target, telling me the stock is extremely bearish and definitely not something you want to buy. You want to wait for a reversal. Not financial advice, but I believe whenever a stock does this and we're not even coming back up to the resistance zone, this tells me it's really bearish, it's very weak, and it wants to go to lower price levels. So I'll look for some price levels on the weekly chart right now. And here we have the weekly chart for Meta platforms. I mean, as the lower and lower this stock price goes for this company, the more and more I'm inclined to purchase some shares, because I mean, people still use Instagram, WhatsApp, even Facebook, and they're coming out with the metaverse, so it could be something big, and they're really not like a company that's losing, being in the negative. I mean, they earn revenue and stuff like that, so it's not like a company that's starting out. I mean, they're well based. So I mean, at these lower price levels is becoming very appealing, even if it does stagnate for a few years. I mean, that's just what I'm thinking. But let me look at the chart. You can see that we've still below the weekly EMA, telling me this is not an uptrend or something that we want to just buy right away, telling me that the downside risk is still great. You can see the last time we came back up to this EMA was beginning of this year. Ever since this year, we have not even been near this blue line, so it's just been trailing down. We surpassed the 2020 lows and even the 2018 lows, and we are trading near 2015 price level territory. This is a very bearish stock. I'm looking for another measured move, so it's going to be a larger one. Could be this one right here. This is the first leg down. This is the second leg, and this target is right around the $40 level. So we have to wait and see if Meta Platforms wants to reach that. It doesn't look like it's doing anything bullish as of right now. I don't see a lot of support that can turn around prices falling this quick. It really does look like it wants to drop down hard. Let me see. It could be this measure move also right here. This is the first leg down. We had a bounce up. This is the second leg. So it looks like we're probably going to be reaching the $72 level, and then possibly that $40 level I have for Meta platforms. So let me go ahead and wrap it up on the monthly chart, which I don't really do, but I want to take a look at the monthly chart for Meta platforms. So here's the monthly chart. This is the entire price action for this company since it IPO'd back in 2012. You can see this dinosaur marks the beginning of the price, so I can't analyze anything before that. This is all that I can see, and you can see that prices were going up since 2012, peaked back here in 2021. Ever since then, we've been crashing down. If you ask someone, where do you think this candle, or do you think the price is heading, it looks like most of the time they're going to say right at the bottom. So it could be headed all-time lows. I'm not sure if we're going to get there. I mean, something to keep in the back of your mind, because Alibaba did that, and you can't say this one won't, especially after every month, you know, we're just at lower point than where we started. So this does look pretty bearish. I'm looking for lower price targets. I believe my first one is right around that $70 level, and then that $40 level. I don't think we have bottomed. It's not likely, but I give you guys an update every Tuesday. So that's all I have for Meta platforms. Let's see if we can actually see some pullback action take place, or we're just going to continue to slam down. So that's all I have for Meta platforms. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.